Anne Waiguru. That and many more issues were raised during a council meeting that was held today at Delta Corner here in Nairobi. Speaking after the Council of Governors' first meeting this financial year, the council's chairperson, Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru, has lashed at the State Department for Devolution over amendments on the County Governments Act 2012 without consulting the council, while calling for comprehensive review of the act following a court ruling that declared county boards unconstitutional.
The council notes that the State Department of Devolution reviewed the County Governments Act 2012 without the involvement of the county government. Yet this is a critical legislation in the implementation of devolution. However, we welcome the move to review the act to conform to the judgments of the court, which declared the county development boards unconstitutional, amongst other critical issues. We note that there is need to undertake a more comprehensive review of the act to address the emerging issues in the course of its implementation since the advent of devolution.
While lamenting over national government interference on matters devolution in key sectors, the council noted with concern the illegal establishment of government parastatals, calling on the Senate to institute legal frameworks to bar the formation of such parastatals unconstitutionally.
We note with concern the continuous attempts by national government departments, ministries and agencies to claw back on devolution from time to time, especially on devolved functions such as markets, housing, lighting, water, provision of fertilizer and seeds in the agricultural sector. The council welcomes the recent High Court judgment which declared the establishment of the Kenya Tissue and Transplant Authority to be illegal. This is a victory for devolution as it sets precedent on the establishment of parastatals that undertake devolved functions vid legal notices. We call upon the Senate to initiate amendments to the State Corporations Act 2010 to ensure that it aligns to the devolved system of governance.
The county chiefs also called out the Ministry of Lands over the Markets Development Program, set to be rolled out by the national government through the said ministry, insisting that the program was a devolved function.
We acknowledge the correspondence from the national government through the State Department of Housing and Urban Development, advising counties on the implementation of the Markets Development Program for the next 5 years. For the avoidance of doubt, the development of markets in the country is a fully devolved function under the 4th schedule of the Constitution. As such, the program should be implemented by the respective county governments through conditional grants framework under the law, as we have done in the KIPES program. We therefore request the ministry to suspend the planned advertisement and task our leadership at the council to engage the Ministry of Lands and Public Works and Housing and Urban Development to agree on the modalities of rolling out this project.
The Council of Governors meeting comes barely 2 weeks before the annual devolution conference, set to kick off on the 15th of next month. Ian Keitani, Look Up TV.